freeze Agradaa account na. Omo invite Agradaa say ombeyi ni one baby onya isa sika ni na wa egu na account mu no. Agradaa call Yoko no. Okoka say e ya sorry na oye no. E ho na onya ni sika wo. It's Yoko for see Agradaa and providing details of Sikebia onya wa sorry then no. It means it's sorry then mo illegal business.
What is say Alfred Kennedy Alfred Okwa 4 billion. What it?
Ewa Agradaa ho.
I said it's all the day mu na me beto wo moto no.
Did your beje pa. So no you soon adwin. O you soon adwin wo Agradaa mo because all that Agradaa say or the number kwa ko hu mpanyifo the number kwa ko hu mpanyifo. But no onyo bia. Kennedy Afre is nobody. Yeah. Yoko for no. As I say, omo close Agradaa sorry no. Because court adia to mu say Agradaa na sorry dem as fraud in the text members. I'm the one part of you to whom I mean. Benya Sarah waha.
Okay.
Sarah. What's it then? Good. Nyamiado menso me ho ye. Me wo TikTok live. Ye pese ebisa wa asem mienu bi pe. Iwe de ye nkasa bebre. Nti mpauto ma memfa won to so answer. Sarah mpamoto Ghana fo etiefo. Mpamoto Sarah Gold. Mpamoto Sarah Gold. Ena ye or say Agradaa agini gold. Ebusia gold ani nananom. Edi suma edi mano. Ani nana ka kire ne say. Ompe penyimu bi anase osofu bi. Anase dinsini nkesiye bia oya ade pa. Nanka onsira gold no so manansa wetimi use gold no. Sarah na yensa aka ne sesia no. Sarah ete say.
Ami adumo bra, mpacho na wonso e.
Yesu adom ye ho ye. Ani duabo no. Ete say wenya call bi wo phone so ana.
Me pacho de bi minyanya ko biasa.
Okay. Na isamsam na etutu Agradaa se na ya jeli Agradaa 15 years no. We hu bia na.
No hu. Kakra metumi aka fa hu nyina ne se minimu pa se me nananom nsamafo. Ene wo mi weduru sa tibie ni.
Yeah.
Na ba ko ampesa me kan se enkopim se nkrofo we besi ogufi o. Enya de omu benye bi ekopim se omudi meja pade ebeblebe.
Okay.
Ekopim se omudi meja pade ebeblebe. Ti se sie yake. Ya me pese be kan nyina ne se mate de ekoso mehunu na jeje oye sa de no so mu. Ndi nyamidi edanase pa se otumi bua ma sa asemu we akowie mpempenso we. Na minimisa Ghana mpenifo sade omosi aso asemu we mu a omo edi aboa ye hiafo ya ye ni bia sese omudi aboa ye no minimisa nyame bekoso akomakoma ama makoso edi asem ne fenchem na bebia no kurete bia no omodi ato na Agradaa ne de onkan hunu se nya de obesa na chi aba ewia ya kan se na hoto mu biom akopim se odi ye nuoma ye japade ni krofo webu am odi ye nyina ya de bebre nya sa hoto pa de bebi a wakosha ne de hwa ne tena de nya de obenya hoto bia biom awata ti su biom.
Good. Na Sarah ediabo na ukobo odua no asoma nye bisa ne se ubo odua ne se Agradaa antoa nua eltimi di wa asema wa ubeba be do mo ase eni snap anase nantwi anase bibi anase ubo odua ne sen pa asa ye na ye we ti diabo na wo boy no
Ubo odua ne se dina nti oni pase no ya me kan no of my a page no so. Na me sa so kan wo nso die yisu enesu bio. Me la ye ko me ne sabato mu nyina ko gina antoa no. Me bodua ne se nananom nsamanfo ne nananom abosom ne antoa nya mansua me gina mu. Na me de me na na egudi a ode ma me de ko hye eye Agradaa ntem me di gold no koma no. Se won shira so ma me na waje ade na firi mi ntem. Agradaa so woni mu baabi a sa sama mi ken say yentro na mi twa nananom antoa nya ma ne nananom samanfo mpa me ho ntoma wo bedwom mu mani mu ase omoma me ho no de wo se to me amawiase nyina hu sa sama me kenya no kre no omoma ne ntome na mom say no kre sa Agradaa no tumi abbo me kro no kase yeti sei asa jimi nsem sika 10 million dia ene ne wo de stress wo
wha na efrefre wo no Sarah ben uma phone yiye enti wo nka wo voice we echi asen krofo bi frefre wo de afem
omo frefre me
if say yenti wo voice ni biom asa voice ni we echi kra mpamto mo amo hwe yen no a mo frefre Sarah no mpamto mo ntwa so sesi ya na Sarah ntimi inflow maye
na asama mi ke me ka chensa na nanu mo samanfo ma enimguase ntono mo nchino omoma nanim nguase ono ankasa mpa mu nka no kro omoma no hwehwehwe no emane ntumi na emane ntumi ntenase emane ntumi ntie aduane de me tina ho ka se sesi yi de minisika bia me di to na ntwi anase eyi bi di abedase na mum so mo yamame a aseda me de ma omo ni maame na busuafo obibia ala ne ma na me di omo ye den eda ase na mum se mi wia se nyame yamadom na omo ma me nsaka egudie no na se me ba aseda bia we se me de no me de beda omo
good Sarah mpacho cutting crofo na yendi nkomo kakra we dey ye nche
hello
yes inti say na ya che Agradaa no ese say uko antoa ekodo mo ase ana say ede na ye the next move ni say ana mo be na say u betu say biom
sesi ane de ensana na megusu egu adana nanu mo ase na makoso ama o mamiem omumiem akopem se Agradaa na nkasa wontumi mfa oni na busuafo nyina omuntumi mfa omutinto kete so ada enungwase no moma ne nyamo ensa oni na busuafo nyina sabile na mekoso akosere mpaibo antoa ne na nanu mahoho me na nanu nsamanfo de bia megu omonsa egu omunsuo dokunu hunsuo na msala homache me de bo mpaye kire omo se omunkoso amenungwase ani awieye enfole sai busua no akopem sa mensa be ka megudi ahoto de ahoto mo hunye bi enti sa mensa ko megudi ani wi a afe na asie bi wo ha na me de ama
okay say no microphone so ikasent no this is the time say yes sama wo koye demonstration biom the next court bi Agradaa be ko bia na say wo san koye demonstration wo court bi Agradaa
so mo yes ade we mama me remfida anka mani beje pa na minim se anka wiase mu ahohom nyina so bekoso ehira omo ewo ne pa omo de bia omo ye de ta mechi anka mani beje pa ifi se demonstration na ye no eno ana aboa menne case mpenimfo bebre na etumi omaso ate enne asemu ya dane asem enti so mo yes ade ya ne boa me bioma anka asida PSC na mdebe ma obi a wo tie me enne
good enti say no sabato nso ebe na say no obeka akere no
sabato de nyame anim nokure ni oni Agradaa nyina no me na mekoso adome o me angopem se sabato de sabaya na okofa ne se memene ne hihye ho abla minimu abaya no na sabato betina bonte ebegu manimu asibeti mate lisifo ntine wa abla be odu Saba na di gu Agradaa na Sabato ni hobi oni mu asem no hu bi no obetena bonti gu mani mu ase no Sabato de bia no me na nam didi nechi ankopem so no ne abaya ni nyiro mbeba abonti abeka omanu mu asem enya de amede beche no
Mejini se niema ni nsema Sabato se osi o ke bia ma Agradaa wo hu sa niema ni bi
nse Sabato no Agradaa de ko atwa ho ama mu ko ye onyoma ye bibaboni nya esi ye ya chi Agradaa wan na de ne be kwa apoye nneoma wo nti e wo so tu osatan ni biom ebe Agradaa side nti sa na be ko nse no pesa Agradaa de ne ko na Agradaa mfa na nko no ne be da ne ntoko omuntem omodo kokon ye didi wo mo atabi nti sa ble ye Agradaa ya chi na tumi a ontumi mfa ne nko ya se Agradaa no me aka na ni nro nyina atro na nyankopon na nanom samafo ase ni nro nyina ma nne aban sa so ni mu no bebe no de Sabato akonti sa na be kono nti obesan so akoka Agradaa ho nanso omususu ye nyina so be ye kwa because the omu ye bia ani hu a be ye adwuma akopem so omu de meja pade bebreme na Agradaa Sabato no so baba be ka na numu no kre sa abaya no bebi okofa ni free because abaya no minimu no ti bebi okofa ni free di ne ba ya otumi betena abonten se eya me na madamfo ne nipa minimu no no obaye madamfo no ono abeba abonten abechire mu no enya de me de omo ho be che omo
nti ujini se Sabato no eduabo no na se ono nso enya no na
ense papa na ye call ye no papa akokora na oda nsuo no so na ye di kan ko hu no papa ne ka kire ne se before sa Agradaa eduabo no ebe jentra ha wo ne na busuafo no se no kura sa Agradaa di egudie na before se eduabo no be jentra ha ede wo ne ono na busuafo so no onkan hunu se ono na dayeso no besusu no so ansa ono na papa ebedi kan asusu no so ansa na abo akwa ebusuya no so nti ono Sabato no onkai hunu se da se ya nso hwe se mena nanom samafo ne antu enyia mansuo ena se ye adwuma ma Agradaa stay ni nro nyina men na Agradaa ko she prison ho a onkai hunu se ono so ne die enam kwan so ana se dia ebobo ba no onkai hunu se dia papa ne ka kire no no ho poporo ho na asase
nti no ede na nanom sha Sabato betimi aya obeyi ne ho efi nsem we mu
adana ye kobodua no ye bodua ni wie no Sabato ejina obisa ensuo chiamefo ne se sesi ye ya bobodua ye wie se onunu ho na okase ontumi ntoa so nti opese obeyi ne ho firi ma na so obeda ne duabo na sai na obekọ no na papa ne ka kire ne se oba na so se duabo no ontumi mbobioma that means asam na obedi njiramu no nya no kore e kire se medibem enti se medibem de ya owo so mutumi hwehwe me no hwehwe Agradaa ne ka ho na ye miensa ye behie mu wo nsuo mu ho no obi abonu nkuro de kire nsuo no se ade na me na me kan ye nso ente saa abaya na dibem ti ye bedane ya no ne ya dane dua no enti so omo be ka ne saa ensuo no bebisa me apapade omo mfa ma me na se me kan ensuo no nso age ne de ye yawa astria omo akọ nsuo ni mu ansa omo akodane dua no
na asem we ya wo kan se de nya ade dia Agradaa nso bedi Sabato eti dia akọ antoa ho ene se Sabato no wu na obewu
ene se obi ntuma ya kan se ya se obi ntuma etwi bo ya ko se dende wo de ntia ko dia charman ya lie ono ane sempa ne sanu se dia ye nso mama ye de ne ko hospital na omuhwe di nro ayi ene ne ade omuhwe ne sa no na me adum se otumi de ne nsa ne ye bibia otumi di si nneoma otumi di ye duane otumi di ye bibia se si akola me no wo ka sei osua de eno san so sua adwuma osua makeup eti anyway nti kakra o de ye
ye da Obi sa otimisha when ya jipa won
na mekoswa so ebo mpaye sere na nanom se omoma manijie enwie paye an study omosi asase ehye me ho animonyam no omoma animonyam no nwie paye nti yankopim se me nsa beka megudie no ehwo na manijie bewie me paye.
Wow. Beka no back door. In same na who nsem bi opese odi twasoma etie for motie o ewia brewe nkofo 500 na etie yen sesie.
Me pache yo kakra meka kire metiefo ne se ane wetiefo so ne se ene madofo omodome a omotima asema na eja omayebihihie na omudi areho ne abobo de mame no kranhye sem ne kakra meka kire omo ne se omumfa mpaibo omukọ omukotojenum na omo bompaya na omakae meneme mane ebusuakuo doma omuta mechi no omumfa mpaibo and support ye nyina na afeso so omunkai hunu se omusempoa na omuka ye nhirade almanyankopon na nyame behye no nyam ede ama omunti omunya rehemu mum eyasempa no kuremu na meka enti minim se enam se mindi ntro na meka asem no kurenti minim se nyankopon obehye no ho animonyam ewo odo a omada na didi akyerem nti mo mabemu mu omunkoso a endomena omunfa omumpaibo entamechi obia
That's hey we die enka ho we nka me question na me bisa na yate say nto no sese me say we nyampene bi yase wato odom
hey
Sarah yase say wato odom a udi do eya no kre
bra asemo ma asem we your friend mama ni hunu no abosi you offer say na me anim no kre die be ma ne de obaba be ye ma me mepewo na so Agradaa or de no me aka me ni pedua say be ma na e bakora misuro bla misuro
mi if you say want me trust you bia unim say Agradaa na akosise adwuma edi ba be di wewu
asemo nti say ankonam ne de migusudi
nti say woni obema bi o hyeso ma okaka akra
mpacho de bio
enye say ho na ate Sarah ho ate nti mimpe obi ma wo Germany ha na
ani enka meni beji obra
okay mepo obema bi ama o Ghana ni mbe me bi obetimi aye onwo adwuma pa Sarah na watena sesa ma ade na ache saa I want back tick. Yo, yati. Ghana for some mate. Sarah, mo amuti abrocho onpe Ghana for enyafo bia. Omo be kwakọ ha no. Sarah no se onu nkwa no owo ho sese ade na ache. Aye kete. Nti wo abroche no nim se upo ba bia na ni da ho. Your friend is onim odo onim efie ade ye nso dia wo abroche we di abroche fo na ye po ye mpe Ghana ni bia ye pamoto ye mpe Ghana ni bia nti Sarah ye da ase ye bi meja wo me wi a ye be kasa we eti why
back you me da ase nyamishla
okay you bye Fanti brother me tiri se mu hu Fanti brother Wa we ye me kunu no me de ntamo odi my friend saying Sarah me tun say mu what is Fanti brother some America tell no Samsonwaa bie uline no na ye ndi nkomo say ye ni Sarah kasa yakoji ye friend saying isoni na efi Sarah ho
na o college no wo ti wo ye de wale na
na say me wo jere party school wo ho asembe na o pese party school be bo me
Paneka hu
ma na omo wo me so we kwampo no unim ntokwa bi si wo back door didindin sesi she
tutu ni bema open ma say the ade tutu ni
say Samsonwaa me pamoto abrochire
yes.
Sarah no ompe Ghana ni bema o uyo bema na wo abrochire opo ba papa eni na atena aware na mpacho behu me wo inbox me connect wa ma Sarah is a very humble lady obuade papa into abrochire na wo pe Ghana ni ba aware no me makes me a guarantee the ama Sarah. Makes me a guarantee the ama Sarah pa. Samsung me dream one me ba guarantee the ama Sarah no. Who are them and
Okay, now.
and you know who say uni mi nenya. Uni mi nenya pa. Rati Subekumi. Mpamoto mo the application ni ba ni na mo contact me wo inbox mo. Mo call me inbox mo. Mo fa application no call inbox mo. Samsonwaa Sarah abekasa yenko.
They say no, but then I say wait demonstration na we.
I am diabolo and diabolo na enyom Fanti brother wo there you are out, you are disqualified. If say wo there me no na sise ho Fanti brother wo ye me mpuna. Into wo there you are disqualified. Me am disqualify wo.
What is your problem? Fanti brother shop.
Maybe
What are shower do? There something.
Mo Ghana for man obi a wo nima obekọ Fanti brother ho no wo. Wo NDC for say you be twa utie free so. Fanti brother is disqualified. Mo bi amfa na asa mo nko Fanti brother Samsonwaa. Say me no be nya culture. Fanti brother
disqualified. Onya disqualified. Fanti brother DM me be no be ko. Me no be ko.
Samsonwaa, good morning. Okita book there. Because girl you person you free baby or
woman. Oh, you poor be ma who ni nkrata o. You pay mema o won nkrata.
Sarah baba be sumo pa. She's a good girl. No one papa.
Yes.
She's a very pretty girl. Very, very pretty girl.
Yeah. So say no, you better see her, you better organize it. Court the Agradaa be ko ya. Sarah be kwa for demonstration.
She needs to.
Yes. Samsonwaa Sabato atemi ye can say, ye na say. If you want enough Sabato esu no.
Sabato.
Akwala no Sarah were very consistent because also bosom.
Extremely consistent.
And I love the ways that put in the phrase in the sentence, you know. As I'm now working on Okojina Judge Benu who Obekasa Akwala no boa. Because from day one, assemble Akwala
story. Yeah.
Abe Pumonde. And I go to know the can say it is saying when you will be yenya pa de no call a friend is saying echo court pa Agradaa who be fan or better them crab 100 years ago. Because we are correct fraud. Yeah. And the witness is there. Say why demonstration in there. Now be kwa masama bia ye pesika ma no ko gina ho. Na wonye dede.
Yeah.
Samsonwaa mami we dey abreno after robbing this young girl no. A girl ya ye dede for years no. She could have bought her a piece of land, built her a 2-bedroom and set her up for a business. We dey na won eti kwakresi abonten. But wo se da e na wo di sika no etuatua eka. Wo di sika no e bribing krofo. But the rightful owner of Adekro nankasa no wo se da wo mani ndi peswa. How wicked could you be? Now Kofa Bejina on say Sanko Younia is Agradaa better than the people who are in there who only stole chicken and they are there for 5 years. Is she better than them? No. Justice has to be served. She's not better than anybody. She's not.
Maybe
I'll say a friend says Sami Jenfina Amayati Agradaa.
Was say me cram na me ma ya chi Agradaa was say John Mahama be kwa koboni dua na so no say John Mahama e bosom
na Samsonwaa
Papa to do abone
Jesus your friend say BJ any yan na ye ko ton Jesus what bomb up pon kitten. I run into a video BJ of mami bi I will say Oton wache wo Agradaa fie nchen eno hu se papa bi esie fi trotro mu a wayera ono ne ba ena papa ne ti ho eno hu se papa yi I to say obi okoba bi a wayera ena oye na dwe so she would rather approach him to find out where he wants to go to but ono ya na onimomo omoko Agradaa ho it's not suspected or say right before you should be so eye ena also ubejina ha chede a me to aduane te betena na me pa bibi kakra ma wondi e no mokọ didi no ne yenko ma yenko Agradaa no ho because misro and papa no see you watching. Ti so mo te ho mo aka asem na ewie no. Eno mama ne so de oni Agradaa ka sa baba ho. So mo so ma ba me twem. Omo betwem no mo so mo hyehyɛ papa bi ne ne ba. Papa bi ne like papa obi ne ne ba. Eno mo ehu na. Omo so nko omo agina baabi ebisa obi se papa bi say no so omo hu bia na poa na kwofo no fa car na omo call back until she can swear say she saved sa papa no.
Yes,
She saved sa papa, and unfortunately no, this woman is only scheming the poor people because nyanseni sikeni bi eni ono obeka so kodobu sika
baby.
and instead of the ohieni no investing in what they are using their like what kakra one no they follow with juma any brain no opese ukoye double money. There is nothing like double money without hard work.
Agradaa no watete ne tekrema so. So when she's on TV saying the things, you will definitely believe her. So some no all can no correct. She can do something, but on me ye baby amount.
Sa idea we nankasa no. It's hard. It's extremely hard. But I hope say this will create awareness. You know, omu kita yam phone na emfa masum. E dey double money. You know, me juma me ye. I quite remember say Ghana ni bi na me ni ye juma.
That's me papa. Ye mubo manoso.
Oh we okay. Yeah, pepta. Wo kan no kre na obeka. It's you know, me ni ma me ye juma no. GhPage me ye juma pa every day. Mami try me na me corner me ba na me ye juma. What me who say? Mami couldn't process the fact that I'm always working. Invest in your own. What the you will get there one day. We don't for be idea. Fine, yeah, you can. They say despite not on cassette. One will be on cassette and there. Wabe ye da. Sans no bet me at on fruit. Ube now will be a tabletop fruit. The next minute, now who credit free, baby. It's you know hard work pays off. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Yeah. Kwabena part of it na kasama.
Good morning, we take to be a.
Yeah, do so.
I don't want to that's a me mommy wo so to one. Let's
Na kwabra na matumi ana.
one more.
Eh.
Our man boy kwan no me mommy pa me to my friend is here. The bi omo kan. Mommy or popular pan or shop or nails mo no sa pedicure ni ade. Ti the bi on us in football to stop on o ko en fa no wa stop on sa. Anti case we ba the bi o kasi. Mommy the way why uncle we ba hono. Enye easy pa.
Into to me kasa into no Agradaa no. I said ne cap na ayama and I say Nyankopon dia kofa baby fufra sorry no so na ama ya
yes se o di bonus na o cap ya ma. Adekitu bi a un expect say no be chew no be chew.
One day for master.
Because we ma
every day for chief man.
O say obi to be kase na one flow obi na obi akoba dada se na Ghana boys no game boys it me dada obroni giniska onye obroni be dada betu dada na giniska
baby
what I say although one flow be about against the law because what dada obi so omda ade awon nye na what dada so omda na yema na against the law you know obi anka say na dana me hwe ma me bi se na wonja Agradaa na mo magimi na.
yeah
Oh, any ba wo ko gina wiem so so wonja Agradaa not say one of ma o start this gidia we might Jimmy too much. Like I don't get it.
yeah
So
something brother I'm part on so bet
my fellow
The kind of thing. Mechia obia. The Collins. First of all, my gancho. Yeah, when me yare mempe. When me will say
and no you back back door.
Jay, there when me yare no. I mean, Shika, I'm good. But me come as I show. First of all, me Agradaa na action no Omwa wabo omwe fu nyina say sika gari no. Omo nya me mobo. Trust me, omo nya mobo. Jimmy and I almost let me tell you something. Echena wachi ni nyina no. The reason why I am happy about her arrest and bullying na bully nkofo no. She thinks say she's above the law. Obia intimi ye de bibia no asese no omo ache no omo ache bibi kitu be na ye de me de. But who in his right senses And Obeka say, me wo 50 million, me de call, so obi end double na mame. Are you for real? Are you,
Fanti brother, utie kwabena asem yi ono nso kan ye ya. Obi ti say wo Fanti brother enemy.
Obu anaju sa.
But we have improfo a omunso ma
Kaloto. Akwa bi say
Colin share, mame share why dey be share. When a Jimmy for no mo press can no mo cause ka gare no. Make us we a Jimmy for because when we say I quite to say obi a wa fall in love. When we wa fall in love, you two know for that. If you are saying nimpa yen Jimmy two know for ye obi a wa fall in love. And na sikeni yen two know for. And obi a wa fall in love. Share who go to the person man go Agradaa we go back just way what time no. And they say. How on earth and you say whoopah 100 million. It's what the kwakwa ma Agradaa say Agradaa J number me 200 million. So we can no esi wan.
Fanti brother nya be trans.
Fanti brother, ya be ka what you say there.
Obi wo ho wo
Obu village
kasa no. Okay, bi make example bi say man no akokra ne ba no. Omunya
Make up the duo.
Odi achen ma metumi mbrem.
Adena wo team na yen sa do bia
TV so enwu ade no. Na
So
di obeka ni say
so whom do you blame? So whom do you blame?
TV so enya sa advert no.
Still you be blame Agradaa because
you have to blame the authorities.
It's against the law.
No, baby, you have to blame the authorities. You have to blame the people in high esteem. So, would be privileged. Those who gave her license to come and sit on television and say, make me have the move seeker at the amount. I would tell anybody else idea way.
Yes, I will be no way sir. Anything again is here who says so to him.
Where can you do this in Europe? I would tell you to say freedom. Obia what ne pay, the Obia person and not team, and then I quite to say, Obia can ne pay, the Obia person and not team day. Yeah, I put forward what about now? I didn't so 8 years. Make sure that I got 30 I don't play there. I check.
Atepa.
Mahama time in know, yeah. They say Mahama who's a Ghana born kasa.
What time? And I yet Agradaa 42 days. That was the time Sanka. Omujeli no. And
sa time no police for now. One say unim say almost prosecutor also to almost change no to new prosecutor many Oluman na wa adwuma mo ha o. O se ni on ni judges o ma cha Agradaa. O se alcohol no am bonus F to no fa won so.
Yet Ghana yana ya say Ghana for Roman Sam. Yakwa go for ya standing for internet so when free US aba Ghana aba chi ompo. Yet Ghana pro we na Agradaa e bo pon no eti say e kuku
Asuna me kan o say BJ me start me kan say Adina wo team now
he has the that to come on TV.
When you say still obi to be call obi to be Fanti brother team.
Make the musica money
laundering. When you say still
make it 20,000.
Na me ma example.
No for behind to be a stop no. My then I select wa jingo.
Fanti brother.
Kwame soon can be Kwame better be.
Fanti brother my example. When you say still ebi ma dream that's what form. Obi to be time ska kwa circle so kwa swap. No ma jeni sika no ma na tito. When you say still that's what obi wa younger branches na dream form. Over time ska kwa circle so kwa phone. One flow, but it's still against the law. So what I say. Let me tell you, in terms of sky cycle. And I say, be a Marco Ghana say, and I say, maybe you be a man on Bonko. But Obu are not going from Kakobaco. Imagine the Sicano.
Yeah. Kojo Patron to bet me.
Samsonwaa follow back 10 years, don't follow me down.
Oh, me.
Minute Samsonwaa.
Oh, me follow back. Me follow back, me patch.
Next year, some are by Europe, member Switzerland.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Kojo Patron bet me.
Yanko. Abodanche bo BJ well hoda no promote ye o ha boy say ka saneba ba ra ba jibo ye gen. Is it good morning, good afternoon? As someone more can or you're very good. And in there, Sabe in Sempi na koso. Yen hina ye hu in yama, mammy, Agradaa or ye man friend of mammy.
Agradaa feel that or street tactics or a smart girl. It has ye hina sabi obetum wa tricky and my yako, but sabi with internet knowledge ye read each and every day. It has Sarah Anamakade. Let's applaud the girl. To them because she's been consistent from day one. Abe Jubankasa na Agradaa oye girl ni gold na Agradaa wa konenan na oza ye ni investment. To them my young sister Shadia Ken in Kobin Park my girl ni bibi. Ye bibi man na afa na akomanya den. On 20 years but you decided that baba betana TV station or so whatever and then start making mockery of the girl. It's a high time all the government and ordinance they should pass a law. I love the way a Rwanda president we streamline another we put up things in place in terms of church, whereby if you are not educated, any edume be a year and theology school you cannot open a church.
Unkita masters won't mean operate as sorry die.
They have to
You're
confiscate
right.
all her properties. So go turn and never na
Ah,
yeah them are victims or no into so of prison about.
what do you
Na
say? No,
come on, babe. Then
Andra,
then she'll come and see how she has made
Andra,
people suffer.
Ochunoko, Okrofo
Watch us here.
Akwa
They have
complain. Ochunoko.
because she doesn't do any work.
Yeah,
She's not
yeah.
a trader. Yeah, because it is coming. You know, they sit down.
And
They
then
are
you
talk
say
her. And say, I am
Ochunoko
for
TV.
Fosika. Or you know, try. For you, they will tell you. Hey.
When they go to
Fancy brother,
camera.
me wie you.
Hey.
I wanna kwabena me wie.
You.
Say masters nimpo too high. At least get a degree.
Yeah.
Or whether you would the area juma be. It's a mention I say we have workers worry juma mount. And then I got theology school. These three things and a bet to me a boy chapel. But
Yeah.
them three things, if you don't have it, you cannot open. I mean, Mama Jenny, that it will be difficult for these two parties to come together anymore. Because it's Obi Astro there, Obi lose members, and now there,
They lose to vote for him.
for him or her.
Because Ghana no, as I sorry no they control politicians no.
Thank you, because Sanka, two parties need to move back together the anymore. Our time, let's pass a law. Sadly, the monk was me or back down. Even when it's a Ghana, now a TikTok, one a Facebook, they have right to shut down or arrest you. And there's a law, or that you're there, and because we'll be today, Agradaa. I pity the people in her church. A bohun community, not an illiterate brute like Agradaa to her. Bible quotation on him. Okay, like Joe, Nanka, Basofo, in a sabi with all due respect, and Papa waiting and a mamma, or Bacade, Nami, two, Nami, Queen, say,
Yeah.
Sister, more chairman soon cry. I roba now or she shed dramas now. And where you be? Because look at this.
Me
Just
kundi
because
me a me
the drama
me
is
kundi
so
me a
bad.
no dia me kundi me a no dia family true mu. I dia family true mu. Me do
That's that.
like Jimmy
Okay.
Sam say. Then
Well, give
Sunday,
it a
then no what for tonight. I sorry say. Wait, yeah. Listen, parents, let me tell you something. Hey, Wabonko Fwepo, she doesn't do any work.
Yeah.
Eh, she doesn't have any 8 hours job at all yet. Into
Um,
her source of money is coming, right? That is where she get her money from. So the government, the court or as far as what Malam side what is very big. They can sell that property. Not a more workshop, a more it's better. Let's like they should sell everything for her to come back from
Brother,
prison after
Elder,
15 years or
Fancy
whatever.
brother, Fancy
Now,
brother, no, they are not but me see the no. Somebody was on the platform talking about the fact that Chrome the Madi being you Chrome the biggest scam is in this country, the biggest scam. Or will Chrome but if you're not smart about it, I don't even do it.
of course.
When I Chrome no omo yes scam you see yes kafo. Do na.
Radia, asama na me kanye day.
Yeah.
Yemu binu ye from a champon time Liman Bay Rollins Bay Kufua Bay it's a mecha na say.
Yeah.
Rollins time damin kwasi asemi entimenye.
What are you talking about?
Bisa how Liberia camp became a Liberia camp. It used to be a church. That myself church you see. And then it was dawn time. No one ransacked. They went in, and then that church was shut down because when Ekodami Chapel now, you don't communicate with. They said no call on any kunenya. So Jenny be no call by an ira chapel while Okaka boom boom. Papa J mama waka then was shut it down. So that place was left there for years. Liberia for the band, and now we didn't have a place to put them. We had one camp where Beku in my side, and at this Ramsey, and I wasn't my one. On the manka used to be a church, or that banner there. There'll be regulations whereby them three things have said: educated, theology school, and all business. Yes, you can establish a church, but without that, no, because me got now an illiterate person like Agradaa na see them could say, I be preaching Agradaa be catch them. Because now what Obi earlier is Kafu doesn't listen to advice. Obi a what when somebody is in love doesn't listen to advice. A kwakana and can you be a third person. They should they should bring some law beer because Sabi
Was her method of operation was started, So OJ our 100 million, not the Collins 100 million, no the Collins need the 50, or that's all I made 100, no, that's Jessica Gary.
Papa
It's in this case,
Papa Bonku.
it's in this case, I will go broadcast the issue, say, hey, Charlie, and crew, they say, I find this there, you are Ghana or Visa Connection, your friend Matrama Coin. And the guy, Visa Connection guy, Matrama Coin, try and error. Collins, two from very 20, Magic Visa one. No, why fake documents? No, 20 years, 20 cost of meter. 1 year, 2, 3 then. Over far.
Papa
2 train if I pay. They will go and spread the
and spread
message.
the
Kale,
news.
guy no change this and more. Guy no change this and more. It's up and them pay. Then he will start scamming people. No, let you go for one scar. No, let you go for one scar. This is what they do. It's a thief. He's a thief. He's a scammer or a comfortable one. She should be. Although prison no one 15 years it's too small, honestly. Because this
And
lady,
I won't say Fanti, but I mean, Chowa, no monta Agradaa shasi no. Na internet no embu ye say you. There is nothing like TikTok. There is nothing like Facebook ni sa name no. Inti obun krofoteye.
but Collins,
Ye ya social media
but,
be ya. Ye na
but
ye
Collins,
kan wasema.
I will tell you for a fact. Say, even you yourself, you need to render some kind of apology to yeah,
Yes.
share with you now. Because
BJ,
I'm not joking.
BJ,
Yes.
Yeah, so Obianka me, Collins, Obianka me, I'm gonna tell you.
Yes,
Because
that's why I came here,
Collins,
please.
let me tell you this. Let me tell you this.
His phone is out of coverage area. The phone is free.
No.
Yeah, Collins,
Collins, let me tell you. Collins, let me tell you this.
One Collins.
Your phone
No,
is out
but
of coverage
hold
area.
on.
Ni na monka say you. Muka say you. I also have a point to say. I also have a point.
Munina, you were saying something like Makan. Collins, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. I said,
Fanti,
let me
what
tell you.
my hand also Canadian. Na mo
Don't cut me off, brother. Don't cut me
No,
off,
I'm
sister.
not cutting you
I
off.
would keep Aja, and yeah. Collins, you need to. Collins, you need to render some kind of apology to
For Agradaa to fraud people.
Collins. You need to render apology to your
Papa
viewers, many people,
Correct.
because Collins, you are an influencer.
Yes.
People look up to you, right?
And
There are
Amancrado.
people
Collins
who
and
get more.
Amancrado.
There are
Add
people who
Amancrado on
get there are
it.
don't mention that name here, my sister. There are people who
No,
get
it is
motivation.
also the one.
There are people who get motivation from you, Collins. It's Collins. If somebody like you before 355 in the shows is here, if some fancy brother, if I see your association with Grada, I believe that then that means this lady is genuine. Because of which is Collins, when the child you come on social media, you advertise for this lady.
Extra people say our money fear.
Advertisement and they say, listen. And Collins, then later you fall out with her. And you come here and say you are happy because me was like no. You came here, you jubilated. I was just thinking to wow, this is my sister, this is my brother. Can any into Collins? And that is first and no and then to corner social media. People would have used it against you. Trust me, my brother. Into
Yes.
you need to hold on, maybe be real. You need to render apology to people. Collins, because why Sika, you know.
A choppy
You use something to price for you to eat. I would if you eat, where did be? A promise on there, bet you. And you cannot tell me, say, you don't know, say, that Agradaa or a fraud. You knew she was doing Sikagari as Okofanada for. You knew it.
Amaka do carry no move feeding no.
You knew it. This woman showed so far clear. The some part of what he added to public or the Kamal Mohammed passport to public. You understand? Outside. All this woman was doing it. I was sitting listening to this woman. Can't anybody stop her? Later I realized, hey, Mrs. Star, calling the so I'm woman here down for Mrs. A. So what is happening? Now you're chilling there. You are happy. She said, "What about your line?" Because you.
Fanti, I am a Hajan
Fanti brother na Papa Bonkunyi.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Collins,
Good morning.
to be honest, we will blame you 50% or 80%.
Hey, how many people will have to come and
Me
bash my
pacho, me
brother?
pacho, me kaka krebi na miss me pacho.
Okay, then you
I'm Agradaa should be blamed. Engege, 3 of you should be blamed because mo be ye advert mama me na abra winim sama me no obu nkofo. Emma who call this over thread paper say wa ma ofie to be aya osika no wisika no chronisika ni bi no no one cop prison no one engege ni Amankrado
Enye ba ko penso.
You have offended us because Agradaa dia why no 50 same. Enti when na na so so na sebi Ghana for ni bi mo ye hypocrisy ebinom and that ebi mo si yampade wan ebi mo si okura nkwala omo because of Agradaa omo ma menom te ate no omusu no omo nya nipa omo wo jail no omo wo nkwala wo jail no are they no human being enti me pa mo cho same omuja Agradaa. I don't think some Ghana visit Grabia because that with Ghana is forest. So be chair one who boo no akoya nya mrana nche no. Enti Agradaa the omuja na asam kese be to onem akopin 50 years in the song. Na next sam BJ me pa cho mo fa year 2 year because people are following you.
Kaji ameda.
Konfo ba na sa mo ka so ye papa.
Me coffee near ready pen na me so masase e.
Esa konfo ba na mu jini tum so ye ni papa. Na chese mo nso no you are team of it. Nipa ne be gina ka so oni ni mo ye criminals. Na nipa we na ni ja no mo na mo me pa cho ma no esi me da mo ase. Bye.
But so this will be a person Obi
well done for accepting your fault. But Ebusiafo, I mean, I don't think that na BJ onyimami ni ye because
what do you mean? Why I got to Sikagari and there, Madam Jerry, what kind of Mr. BJ name years ago?
What's brother?
I got to Sikagari and there.
Or woman them, but Agradaa.
BJ because managing the full swim too.
Oh, so what that to me there is at fault.
Ya chair no the people dey be try say ya chair the 2-bedroom flat. What be say would see down in the chair me.
BJ be you are but Brana be you are. Unless I know bad Jonah.
I had a total.
And then why
the only way I can defend BJ was and or common enemy fights. It was social media.
That is the thing.
Which is not
and you know on no them say Agradaa ya comfort pa but because of no them say Agradaa ya comfort but because of na BJ enemy and Agradaa e come to quality no and BJ go here then join Agradaa. But the truth of the matter is
that's misleading your people.
The truth of the matter is BJ already knew say Agradaa ya comfort because Agradaa has been a thief from infancy. No ya bad go shape Agradaa started for no Cantamanto. No, Tom Force, our Cantamanto. No, this is Sikagari.
Me
What
ya
what's
kof
when
me ya
you
kof.
what you when you panty guess when you abutre what you when
Mpamto bia
Member,
na ne de me ba.
member broche, but na me nim say Agradaa oya konfo ye sika gare. Enti and Facebook ntokwe
or
3 4 years no. 3 4 years na eke mu pa 3 4 years ni na Agradaa ye sika gare. Enti BJ is aware. BJ
now
has
Fanti
no
who
excuse.
say Fanti who can say no be advert from the TV station no.
Me say na sika gare ne ko ya advert man no.
What ka say wi.
I don't care to be Jason.
Mpamto what ka say wi obi o so wo bibi.
na
Ma
so
me
twa
so
ticket
ka wo
man
de ewie.
o twa ticket man ma ne ko Ghana ye call court abije kaka na dwen kire nkofo
BJ enjoy Kenny now.
obe bunkofo ani o no nye no ketashi ba no ba jona
Me me one no. Some guys say make mpamto. Obi a mute ne
we will
ho.
meet ourselves and come and
Mo
explain
say I need to apologize to all my followers and Ghanaians. I'm not above apology. Ghana po me pa obi bia chewa e bia yen social media agrodia na say ye me bi ye ama wonto ukọ for lead victim that bibi wo ho mpamcho ma me nkasa. If you follow me obi bia wa follow me e wo social media so from Facebook, YouTube, we did meti watch me videos time I got I was doing Sikagali I was bashing Agradaa. Ebia mumu binumurefi. I never supported Agradaa Sikagali in any way. I never did a video as adverting to support Agradaa Sikagali. Obi bia obeka say we video mimi ya advert ama Agradaa Sikagali mpacho kofa bra me $1,000 and that's €1,000 in the year. At the time of Pedonko, no many Pedonko needs na Agradaa doubling money in Ghana. Social media so nipa kwa wa ha Agradaa pass our time no. I'm number one. Many Pedonko. Sa time na ngege mo any amankrado mo. Eye advert dia ma Agradaa. Your friend is saying Agradaa ball chain. Every two friend is saying ngege komo. Now I was not there. Where did I come in the picture? I came in the picture. Sa time Agradaa ni mami ngege ekun topa. Agradaa yetse no. Ye close ni TV stations. Na mimi ba picture no Agradaa say wafa nyankopon. Honestly, I'm a human. Nyankopon etimi sakra obia. Mimi ti eye na me se me gay. Otena nyankopon betimi aka evidence ato me so. Na ma betina media nyankopon timi sakra obia. Mimi ti eye na ya me gay. Otena metimi apia ba social media so. Abaka tire wiase mu ina saying no. Mia evidence ato me so. I'm a born again masisa.
And they are wo.
We need to give everybody the chance to change. Mini Agradaa, it was a TV program, Facebook Live. And I'm here, and look on na oni ingege intokwa. And I'm a coffre Agradaa, na Agradaa anya madam fo. Na me pese omontokwa no koso kese, and I'm a coffre Agradaa. Me friend no wamfa. And a man kado ni ko kasa ye sente ye BJ nti se dakwa afa na oni ne nkasa. And a Pedonko friend me sente BJ. O friend no fa nya abotre endidi na tem si ye di oba beka. That was where mini Agradaa be ya adamfo. If he said no see was sakra me anka Agradaa ye sika gali still anka ni one person one pomende. Time mini Agradaa be ye fine. Amanka do bedi adanse yet me jina phone so na Agradaa say BJ mpese me ma usike bi ma ubusuafo mbeje. I never took one person from Agradaa. Me come me
Collins,
papa when the baby call.
Collins, hold on, hold on.
Oh, let me
Collins,
finish. But
Debbie, I am not
mommy,
really free. Debbie.
okay.
What say you never took one person from Agradaa, right? When time I started, the catcher said you are fighting a common enemy. And they say what? Collins, so reason you have to apologize to us is it was deceit. You came to deceive us.
It's
Say
mommy, let
Agradaa.
me finish.
Ala bi je.
Let me finish.
No, it was deceit.
Let me
Listen,
finish.
Collins,
My
one question.
apologize, but let
Collins,
me
Collins,
I'm making a statement. Let me finish.
Collins, who apologize? This is where you had it all wrong. Who apologize to you? There was no need for explanation. Good reason why here. Hold on, let's see. Collins, one question. Did you know, sir? No one himself Agradaa or your comfort as I wouldn't say your comfort.
I don't make after I was saying to
No, hold on.
I was doing Chicago, I
Collins,
was
listen.
bashing her. A man can.
Collins, my man say me job. My man say me job.
That time no ba or yeah advert from the TV station or Facebook Live. So okay.
And then I miss that time. No, yeah, I'm
Collins, Sikeni, Adam for. Maybe that's fight is Sikeni. Let's say Madame for your death fighter. That mean say me rich.
Oh, Fanti brother. I didn't hold on. Say you, but me can say you. Because say you are brother. Let me finish talking.
Collins, what from father and for we are for. This is what I want to tell you as a brother.
Let me finish talking.
Let
me finish talking. Time I got there, yes, Kagali. No, I repeat again. I was against Kagali. BB said everybody, anybody can change at a particular time, at any given time. Mimi nyankopon na Agradaa beka say wasesa. Me makase inti no Agradaa nsesa ye. I was not God. Inti Agradaa say wasesa no. We have to give her the chance. Until time I went to Agradaa, Samsonwaa, makanu was social media no so several times. Ye ko sia Agradaa, ye ko Ghana. Ye ko sia Agradaa. Ye ni Agradaa tika mo. Or let's say a few wesisi ni niema. Samanka do bekai, no beka no kra. Agradaa was teaching us. A kwanya say ye pese ye sika. Instantly within 1 month, we can be rich. Ye free Ghana buy no. E hona mi hu say mami we no on sakraye. Me call Agradaa asori. Me call na sorry. Sika e won me hu na. E free me once na me free Agradaa asori den. Me pon free as ye pon free na asori. And I'm a friend amankrado sa amankrado. I think we need to sit this woman down and talk to her. If said the rate or the sika, I want now sorry demono. And yet asem kitwa. Ni 2 days time, and I actually I got a share choco 42 days. The one bay beer, you will never know the true colors of the people. Since our time no, and I'm mini Agradaa, and esantity, ye musantity bio. Enu na ye ntokwa kesi a ebaye. First ntokwa ebaye ye ni Agradaa ntem. Eno no a ebepa amankrado chew. Eho second ntokwa no, and I make a amankrado say, it's time I don't want to be friends with Agradaa again. And say my son me papa who die 2 times concerning Agradaa. Me papa when the baby come. So I was looking for a perfect opportunity to depart with Agradaa. Sa efie na asem na mo kano. Agradaa never miankasa me fie. Ena ye got na say enu ko na ye video. Comes in a bisam say, "Hey, e friend say Bra Collins. Efie na ye say Agradaa de ama no. Enu ni ana, ena ye de ye agro. Oh, 2-bedroom house na ye de ma or de ma me no. Enu na ye timu a ye didi no. It was a joke video. Sanka Agradaa amame efie anka Agradaa we ya oye bibi ma na eda na no dey sanka ye kuntopa na anka wan beka like Agradaa will come out and come and say it. Into me call Ghana me ko sia no 1-on-1 yenkomo die mu ni niema no e na me hu say maame no nsakraye. We advised the woman several times but she never listened. Into na ye say Agradaa no I was so happy saying to no yatino this time Ghana mrano eduma. Me call Ghana last time ya Agradaa say opemi achimi no. Enye bibi entio because I spoke the truth. Me call interview. And I bisa me Agradaa ho asem. And I make an interview no say nobody should mind Agradaa. If you say on sakraye Agradaa gusu yes kagali e na sorry dem. Obu na Agradaa bufu yes say no me di fe mu no me gu na eduma and the police etata me wo man Ghana mu. So me I never support any wrong. Me support bone. Uya de na ye no kra si etie bia no meka akyerɛ. Me brain no na me hu say no Agradaa nsakraye no. I came out to the social media and my reaction saying, this woman has never changed and she will not change. It's baby, I must say, Mikodi it, Satan no assistant. And I never knew say no assistant. Now I thought to say, no cress mamma no assistant. It is a Ghana for one must say, your friend is I need to apologize to me Pamocho. So who share me video be with Agradaa? And then ma unya jidie wa Agradaa mu am Pamocho mu fanche me.
But BJ, me
That wasn't the motive.
Yeah, BJ, me patch.
My motive wasn't saying to me, Kodi Agradaa echi, ama na bebu Ghanaians. My videos are still there. Time Agradaa yes kagalino. I was really bashing her.
Okay, BJ, me patch. Now that no be demonstration say free Agradaa time I channel.
That's our time, no TMA. No, we didn't know. Honestly, sir, all night not no. We didn't know what was behind it. That your friend saying, "Sikana odibeye advert with TV so no." I never did any advert for her. Maybe whole video no or recording video no sending my no. Immediately I was like, it's a no go. Me first come back to say into the betenko for. I never did advert. And until a man can do advert in Kwana what is saying for bono. I never even posted that video on my page. Wait, who sent no sa video na mamini ye you know. Me posti be that. Man posti. I never posted that video. They said, man tosa idea no. It is some no course. Na ye na ye ka say. Eye juma sise. It's real videos no ba bontin. Answer ye who say, oh, sana mame no. Oskamo sorry for no. Sika no si o de beche no. Wan fan check. Me so boni so. Me so boni so da. Oya boni, oya madam for oya mi busuani no matter what. Meka no kre na akyerɛ. Me so boni so. Eno ni yen tokwa no because I was against so many things that she was doing. Bisa Agradaa said then in me no tokwa. Ontimi nka say BJ ye mi boni bia because some of us were telling her the bitter truth. And she felt saying to no, oh yeah, when a brabo mu, if you say yeah, cannot cry naturally, no, and on person obeti. And to Ghana for one more feeling saying to no, ebia, ma this even no, move on to me, but that wasn't the motive behind any order. Niemana ye, you know. And I'm so happy. Say ene Ghana mra eye juma. I fought against Sikagali and I will forever fight against Sikagali or any scam issue that anybody will do.
God is why are they pa? I really like much respect.
Oh yeah,
Me property Agradaa Sikagali da and I say scamming on
the only nasema.
I never do it. The only video I can say to you, because Agradaa aye way a friend is saying what of fear amami, which was not true. It was just a hype.
Second, our top first class ticket amount.
Ghana no to ticket the man no. No see any birthday party. Into your person you better it wasn't about scam. Birthday party no say yembe taneti na yembe friend say only ni birthday and no me who boni bia me ye wo mu say nti obi di ni birthday party or say better ameti and at that time no so no say wase sa or say nyankopon afre no So I was sure saying to be a nyame na wa friend no eye no kre. I never supported Sikagali into me pamocho. Say obi pese oti menum nsema. This is also my reasons. Nedamasi.
You did your. Raja kabadina na bia no suma.
Mami esi nye aduane.
Am I cross one support no? Am I so try so 24? Am I try the best but anye adwuma.
Debi, but among crado no. Ono na oye advert. Edi mas kana ma ameno so obeche no. Among crado de. Ono sa
am I so nim
voice bia.
Am I so nim na ade.
Oka asema ekwa abonten ekwa echire pa. Until no so but no yeah no the voice too wechi no. Eno na nkofo bebre enya agidie wo mu a omde kwa sorry dan no mu sa time no.
But
it's a nkofo obi a say obepa achewa eya mankrado. Odo na ma no ko $10,000 every man. Agrada $100,000 po and I say 10 million po agada wa mami. Agada man agada insem musika da. Because me mbri obi hwe kakra na me wono meni so me bia nyankopon edi mi eduru bia me nkofo me frame me so meta me ade kwampo no ma bo mu egu o ka no kwampo no ma ade ni na baby
that is why I am telling me starting here when I started my submission I made it very clear here that you were doing all that because of common fight enemy. You started
fighting. So
hold on.
I was so happy.
Not the common fight enemy. No, common fight enemy. Common enemy fight. Exactly. Even me, I'm a tear cry.
Who's why your common enemy fight?
Because even me in the beginning, no. Na me kwa na me nimu na me ni problem but I before that man at the end of the day
point of correction ure efficient time your friend is saying Agradaa any ngege mu ekuno now we were all group na ye group
me no Colin so listen your common enemy fight but who didn't send me I was always using my mind I didn't want me yet. That is why I internet now. Brad Penny wouldn't send me on the main because he realized that me I cannot be persuaded. What do you mean can't tell me say me kodi Collins at them? What has fallen down to me? To me because I mean kodi I mean at them and I'll go. They haven't that me. If you come for me, I will come for you. I won't wait for somebody to come and tell me say attack Collins. Attack no. What can I say? Because I'm a man of my code. Magraheb meaning the next me they will bet me make the same thing. What I'm saying is that you started very nice on the social media. No, you started very nice. You started very nice. It was very nice, but later, no, what was that? I want any relationship now. Now say and that is the problem is what I say.
Me and Agradaa, I'm Agradaa and Anthony.
Collins, say you will be free prison. Work on them 25 years. Nipendien or you see you attire the telephone number. I want the phone so attire mechanic. There's a mechanic. It's okay. And I want to that story now. For prison for 25 years. What was his wrong? You attire phone number. I want the phone so or a mechanic. If you're jailing for 25 years, I just say, or you accomplish. Now that one attire. In say actually Agradaa. Say you can't more. Collins, you'll be interrogated.
Collins,
free, no. Collins, before you will be free, no. Don't go to me 1 week, 2 weeks, me. What? Is that what you can I say? This is what I'm trying to tell you. Sir, Charlie, there is not me. There be never. What I say? This is what I'm. You started very nice, so. concern. Now what the
Yeah.
information now what the information now to us. But I don't blame you because later the social media never to say one back Fanti brother asama who your views. One back Collins asama who your views. One back Kamala asama who your views.
Yeah.
Kamala kwa gaga asama on your views. And I yadi who Jimmy was social media so Zion Felix ever 2 years now was social media so Woody Maya ever 2 years now social media but honest because Zion Felix and your plug in mono many we any fan
That one is true.
yeah, need what a po.
Say, in those times now we were doing it for entertainment. So
Collins, we were Collins, Jimmy. That is it. Jimmy. And then talk of phone, talk of Jimmy. Yeah. And then look at how this boy is not working. He doesn't do any work. The NFL blogging or the NFL now go for a shade. They say, you post idea company. Oh, we would in fear or we would talk on one or book. Meanwhile, so then talk on the heading.
Don't forget Senaya to Pankwana near
Me giant talk on and me who say, son, because me. Which you crack up before and the lights in Namadity or let me show the corner of my head. So I was doing all this. So I was friends with all these people. Can you imagine? Look, you make just say internet
social media, Facebook, me, YouTube, no so company, main cost because we are growing. We say no. And yet, me call Ghana recently in Panka.
Who say Collins? Who buy and now would ye? Betty has said who come Jesus and me God the sunlight honor. And a be Pascal.
Me started blogging or Ireland. I was the only person and I started here first. That time when I record, I'm the and I come on about to about it. After that, I tell you, so people in Kingsley, I could be contact when I made him walk Jim who said, now that I'm moving where to quite say, please
WhatsApp the life. WhatsApp life.
Who knew?
No, but see me so. And I was rejected by and I was
good afternoon. Pacho na mo to so Collins so. E be say ye didn't call your fence say. Agradaa for 15 years, a Collins for 50 years. Because Collins ka ho and Agradaa achieve say dynasty kadi nyina. Any be yini nyina nti say Agradaa for 15 years and me and me see me boka say. E be say Collins so no. E kwa 50 years.
I will be 10 years. You are advisor. You are maybe 15 years, I also maybe 30 years. Also, Metro Moto tell no advice you back door.
Whoa, Mr. Obako 50 years. Agradaa for
30.
Who 50? Hey, Namian Collins and I'm Melbu more. Asam na wakano. Wakam ye who say you are really an adult. Only mention I say for you to have the guts to come out and say me Ghana for some massing be na come will be dear chili a sana why me pamocho no why are dear because yeah na the trust and names in the chair day achia mistakes dear most of us ya be who are be say who no the oma ko di Agradaa just that time no when a fence fence I'm of our mind we one and I money your fence say we move for we move so ngage eko and na when we nyina eba nti mukodi echi nti die na asam na actual problem na munim and am de mo ye de mo ko and am ko me kai so kwajira so dem yi wa ede watale white kwa Thanksgiving na manfo twa trum we say amedi echire yes and sembebri. But the mistakes has already been done. This is a learning curve for everybody. Obi bia we to be as no.
I will never know the woman true. I wouldn't have known her true colors. Once the American sama me bo amankrado din. If say me ko hu ma me true colors no, I called amankrado. If say minim say ma me no oni amankado din komo mpochen say oni me din.
Oni we din komo no correct.
That's why amankado ma me suban said no. We need to call this woman to book. I say any tina na any din komo. enu ni anka Agradaa tie ya asemanka echicha anyeme biso anka nkodu se wo bugana fo e de enya japade enye sika enye bibia what again then na wo hwehwe biom
maame na same de nyame enukre collins oza na me kire wo eye me ya se ya che no oye oba time me ya 15 years the Ghana for anu odi
go prisons one moment so mo ye ma time
I know but me ya but when a learning careful my nyina ye wo wiase bia no ade e be say reflect wo ye ho say abrabo mu no bibia wo be bia there's a limit nyankopɔ ma ne chances bebree but the mimi hu ye ne say Agradaa nani am to chances na nyankopɔ de ma no na ama akoduru say nti ye say nyina ye fanya adesua de say ya de bi no edebu aye mistake nyankopɔ ma ye chance ni ye ba abonten ni ye kire se ye de ensuro bia de bi ebesi esuro bibi se bibi wo wiase bibia wo ne mere collins de me ka chew so why ade enu enta be ba me se why ade me you too why ade na mo 50 years ne de obeko ba
50 years
the don me chicham
Joseph
yeah one yedasi unse ebe mu nche ba yedasi pass at least to me gina ha na utimi echichim na we apologize here. Nobody is above apology.
Yeah.
And the man ketekiti ebi nyina ebi wo hono enu bi na Agradaa mo manhu anye ekoyo mu ne asantumi obi e kan se 20 any owomati couple.
Yeah.
Ente oduru be oduru no. Na mesa obibi o it seems say Agradaa for nipa bebree. You could hear someone for can Agradaa onko 50 years 15 years.
Yeah.
Je empay for no. Nyeso munti o. O matini na hu ni nyina. If Agradaa I just said you got close to her and you knew say at least she's a bit powerful. Oni ni mama for
Agradaa wasn't powerful. Onimu nkrofo.
I didn't want to you.
Bribe normal.
Say that is it.
Yeah.
That is it. Any money powerful. How can you be powerful with that money?
Yeah.
Because we do a man for Sika.
Right. You are right.
Yeah. And now 15 years no they are doing everything possible. Say omubetimi omo ready sukra na ombe yi na free. Na me pesa me sire me kan ebisa. Why can't omo kasa basha ma Agradaa oyemi see me rate because me will be cry video or so do call papa bi na nyoma not say esuo tubo say hin obo papa na. Why don't you all they come together? Na omo nye counter suits
to run and kasa me say me be ko Ghana mo be hu me say me na Ghana bio. Me na me go for na no to go for
very serious. What him say they didn't hear me no. I got the age me no. And pay for mo da. But nobody was coming forward. And she had that long time and yet they're not oil.
Yeah.
It's now say I don't know na taba no emienu and yebu baako aka baako opese onfosia na onye den onfo baako no enhye ho.
Yeah.
Why don't we people omo Agradaa no etimi different omo no omo ye sure so Agradaa different omo no why don't they counter suit eno die ebe we say aba embremu it is even if they have any pardon for her omo hwe the number of people aba forward na they will think twice.
Yeah.
Obviously they are doing it. Yeah, it will be very, very better somewhere, sir, because that woman is very, very smart. And the people around there are very, very smart.
Most of the victims, and you are more fed here. What will be your winning because Oslo sent you who never say, hey. It was wait to miss an outdo Skakoma Agradaa and that is why those times most people didn't want to come forward.
Yeah, discretion. When you go to police station and lodge a complainer, nobody has the right to bring you on television without your consent.
Exactly.
So what catch up say, out, you want to protect your public image. Nobody will bring you out. Yeah, possible.
It is the state against Agradaa, the state
So
against
so
Agradaa.
when I will you know appear biblical. When say while fighting case in this, he was not getting justice. Who say Agradaa and he went back to the police station to rekindle his
Exactly.
issue.
Exactly.
Appear case no now ho.
One thing
They
I can
used to
say,
go to
I
court all the time. And
and
See,
yeah,
BJ, na case no ho.
why rekindle no? This is what I'm talking about. Into your parents and name it say let's say Agradaa Bumia. I can also go to police station and say, mention what I say. So when the cases become plenty, they will see say she's a threat to the state or a public threat. And the woman will say plan obey into because
Exactly.
the revolution has to start from the victims. Me me say I umbu me da. Onti me so umbu me. Enemy who obi ko betumi. Reason say Agradaa she had the wings to operate for long and they say or smart. Obi or confident into about the confidence trickster. Na dwi edwuma.
Trickster.
The oya
She
they
was a
say
confidence trickster.
that was why she was friends with prominent people. And Owusu Bempa, Owusu Bempa, what was that? No, or best I medium fee, no, ben her. No, Ghana, because I didn't know Ghana, or I say, I me call Ghana, I said, 6 months, you know. I realized something. Ghana, who scar, spend your scar forever. We on yen, nobody, and yes, I know you. Now we are average, you will be average so that kingdom come. Reason let's say confounding in ano so we could do put they settle the police people. Police for no air day AGB. Police for be. It's also we police station kwa no report Agradaa. Say ya kasa yan kwache no a they will call Agradaa. Oba yes embefa wonti wo fia wo dey fifie na day.
especially omo a sense say Ghana police mpanyinfo o system e sa police for no mugu so to obo hono omo ya Agradaa body omo na Agradaa ni omo di bone. I stand to be corrected.
Collins, into America say yes. So who your case, eh? They will follow up. See,
wait the police for no.
Collins, it's who your case, they will follow up the case. But before they will go to Agrada's house, no, the umbe friend say, yeah, but into the day, into so one question. Say they will tell you say we went there, but he wasn't there. What do you mean? Yeah, we've been there. We couldn't get it. Now, once a woman in the police station, every day. What do you mean? Yeah, up and down. Until finally, no, what you will do is over there. You will give you up.
Yeah.
What you say?
At this point, Munda Samsonwaa so ase Emma me pa. Me call Ghana na Agradaa. Ese opeso ochime no. Nkofo bi a mo ta mechi pa. Samsonwaa so ka obi. Munda
Into that was true.
Mimi so hona na sa Agradaa want me. But at the point I make you know, like I got to know some people top nkofo bi through Samsonwaa. Na way frame BJ yes una we BJ no una oni Agradaa wo case no ye nya wa ha na me ka na metu me ka ye nya wa ha bebre eboa me enti Munda Samsonwaa say so ma me pa
Samsonwaa ya da was why nyamish show hey Collins it's no and American here me say I me madam won so long time because Charlie in mugase na yaje was social media no so because of social and the media no so no not that make our chance and mugase yaje was social and the media no so no Charlie do so obi wo kwa nipa no ni like yeah as someone can nipa no who want to me here and ben but social media ninti no obi a share dey o make dia na o me dey because of agofun we kokon here dey ekodi here what yeah inti me ti hai me say like what be di me mama atem what be di me papa atem say mama I say say no obi kaya say man who to Jesus ba ko ma no kwa wona ne beda no we are watching bet no social media say
something brother yes ya nyema wo media isi o hey you come mafia game yes ya mafia game wo media isi
Apenya she say ya unblock your account na ya dey share me Fanti Broda na hack your account no Fanti boy that yeah account today for independence. Charlie, it was a whole lot. After that, me decided yes, Charlie, Kamal, who didn't be. Let me share Kamal that. Like 3 years ago, Kamal share Wagana, me didn't share Wagana Osu. I say, Fanti, into one same thing you do at times and say Kamal every day. Says it,
Yeah.
say Yana made him walk, man, made him buy it, more fire me, made him waba, more
Yeah.
fire me.
Master again, the Fanti brother, but you who yeah na who now we first person now who pull you out. And
Let me trim you.
media unnecessary fight no. Who now who pull you out first. And Sana Kamal Mohammed he do it. Then followed Obatiwa and a Kingsley Subedi Mweti. Medium me last cram then and say I me call Ghana by ye. And yet if anything me call Ghana year and can mean him say I'm paying for bits ye. Like I never knew. Honestly. Never knew. Say I do I media you so ye. Ghana paying for a shay and papa. I never knew saying to no Meko Ghana.
Share. Comment we. Fancy brother got about those share. Don't say you don't know me. Fake account on Kwa sister. And then you don't know Mr. Collins. Me name is fake account to me. My account here one.
Only fake account.